Hello kids, today we will see the subject English. The last class we will see the words related to vowel A. In this class we will learn the words related to vowels E, I, O, U. Let us take three-letter word with the help of E vowel. The first word is bed. B, A, D, bed. B, E, D, bed. R, A, D, red. R, E, D, red. D, A, in, den. D, E, N, den. H, A, in, hen. H, E, N, hen. T, A, in, ten. T, E, N, ten. J, A, T, jet. J, E, T, jet. In, A, T, net. N, E, T, net. P, A, T, pet. P, E, T, pet. Then the next V, A, T, wet. V, E, T, wet. K, A, G, gug. K, E, G, gig. Next leg. L, A, G, leg. L, E, G, leg. Then the next men. M, A, in, men. M, E, N, men. Pen. P, A, in, pen. P, E, N, pen. W, A, B, web. W, E, B, web. Now we will repeat all this. B, A, D, bed. R, A, D, red. D, A, in, den. H, A, in, hen. T, A, in, ten. J, A, T, jet. In, A, T, net. P, A, T, pet. V, A, T, wet. K, A, G, gug. L, A, G, leg. M, A, in, men. P, A, in, pen. W, A, B, web. Now we will take third vowel I. With the help of this vowel we can start three-letter words. The sound of these three-letter words are bib. B, E, B, bib. B, I, B, bib. B, E, K, big. B, I, G, big. T, E, K, dig. T, I, G, dig. F, E, K, fig. F, I, G, fig. P, I, G, pick. P, E, K, pick. W, E, K, wig. W, I, G, wig. B, E, in, bin. B, I, N, bin. E, in, fin. F, I, N, fin. Next, P, E, in, pin. P, I, N, pin. Next, tin. T, E, in, tin. T, I, N, tin. Next, win. W, E, in, win. W, I, N, win. Next, kit. K, E, T, kit. K, I, D, kid. Next, lit. L, E, D, lid. Lid, lid. Next, lip. L-I-P, lip. L-I-P, lip. Next, tip. T-I-P, tip. T-I-P, tip. Z-I-P, zip. Z-I-P, zip. Next, pit. P-I-T, pit. P-I-T, pit. Next, sit. S-I-T, sit. S-I-T, sit. Last one, six. S-I-X, six. S-I-X, six. S-I-X, six. Repeat once again. B-I-B, bip. B-I-K, big. D-I-K, dick. F-I-K, fick. P-I-K, pick. W-I-K, wick. B-I-N, bin. F-I-N, fin. P-I-N, pin. T-I-N, tin. V-I-N, win. K-I-D, kit. L-I-T, lit. L-I-P, lip. T-I-P, tip. Z-I-P, zip. P-I-T, pit. S-I-T, sit. S-I-X, six. Now we will start with the another vowel, that is O. The sound of these three-letter words are bog. B-O-G, bog. K-O-G, cog. C-O-G, cog. D-O-K, dog. D-O-G, dog. F-O-K, fog. H-O-K, hog. L-O-K, log. L-O-G, log. B-O-X, box. B-O-X, box. F-O-X, fox. F-O-X, fox. K-O-B, cob. K-O-D, cod. C-O-D, cod. R-O-D, rod. R-O-D, rod. K-O-P, cop. C-O-P, cop. M-O-P, mop. M-O-P, mop. T-O-P, top. T-O-P, top. C-O-T, cot. C-O-T, cot. D-O-T, dot. D-O-T, dot. P-O-T, pot. P-O-T, pot. B-O-Y, boy. B-O-Y, boy. J-O-Y, joy. T-O-Y, toy. M-O-M, mom. Now we will start with the last vowel, that is U vowel. The sound of these three-letter words are B, A, D, but. B-U-D, but. B, A, K, bug. B-U-G, bug. H, A, K, hug. H-U-G, hug. B, A, N, bun. B-U-N, bun. In, A, N, none. N-U-N, none. R, A, N, run. R-U-N, run. S, A, N, sun. S-U-N, sun. B, A, Y, buy. B-U-Y, buy. K, A, Y, guy. G-U-Y, guy. K, A, B, cub. K, A, P, cup. Cut, cut. Cut, cut. Hat, hut. Hut. Gum. 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 Mug. Bug. Rug. Dub. Tub. Tub. Okay kids, thank you.